When we were conceptualizing e-skwela, that was back in 2005, we were looking at a good model for ICT in education, and everybody else was looking at the formal education sector. We specifically decided on looking at the alternative learning system because nobody was looking into it. And we learned that the alternative learning system of the Department of Education offers what we call the accreditation equivalency program. This program prepares out-of-school youth and adults to go through basic education modules and prepare them for taking the accreditation equivalency test, which, if they pass, will be equivalent to an elementary diploma or a high school diploma. So we thought of putting up e-skwela so that we could make use of ICTs to optimize this accreditation and equivalency program and bring ICTs to the learners in a more exciting way. Bring basic education in a more fun way, also engaging way.
Basically, with regards to content, we're using the modules developed by BAS. It's just that we digitized and we converted it to be computer-based modules. And then through the LMS, we have a learning management system, which is the basic virtual classroom for eSkwela. There are online resources which the learners can also access. The online resources complements the e-learning modules. So it's just enhancing the content of the e-learning modules. With regards to the services, most of the centers provide computer literacy for their students because most of their students, this is the first time they use the computer, so they had to teach their learners how to navigate through the e-modules. So that's one of the services. And then there are centers that provide livelihood trainings for their learners, and of course they assist their learners for the registration of the A&E exam. So that's the services of the centers. The clients of the eSkwela centers are the out-of-school youth and adults, so that's ages 15 and until 40, 50, some are accepting even 60-year-old learners. As long as they have dropped out of high school and they want to pursue their education, they can enroll in the eSkwela centers.
For all the other CECs that already offer eSkwela, they started off as community centers from the very beginning. So eSkwela is just one of the services that they provide. So what we're trying to say is that we're encouraging these shared facilities, even internet cafes, even schools, to offer eSkwela as one of its services for the community.
Ever since we started the project, eSkwela has been always rooting for multi-stakeholder approach, in a sense that we only provide the template for the project, but afterwards it will be up to the local partners within these communities, the implementers, who will take care of the other components. So we provide the content and capability programs for their implementers, but at the same time, they also have to provide the infrastructure, the computers, the physical space, as well as the payment of the bills and the center management. But not only that, because we're only talking about financial sustainability, they also have to ensure that the instructional model of eSkwela is being implemented as we've intended it to be. So in a way, we are encouraging them to own the project because we are only providing the model, but ultimately it will be up to them to continue sustaining eSkwela. The local partners can be a local government unit. The DepEd Division Office is always involved, but other local groups can also be involved in footing the other requirements of the eSkwela Center. For example, a local business can be involved in providing for the internet connection fees or the utilities. A non-government organization can also be involved, especially if it's a service provider of the DepEd alternative learning system. And a church organization can also come in as a partner. Different groups and even individuals can donate and support and provide support in whatever way that will help improve the implementation of e-skwela in their community.